Oh man, just getting off of work. This is the best part of my day right here, man. Every single time. Woo. That never gets old, man. Never gets old. My son over here, this is Noah, my youngest son. You guys seen him before. Noah wants Marco's Pizza, which is right there. He just finished practicing and now he wants to go eat pizza. So I told him to go eat pizza. Go get pizza. Go in there with your puppy dog eyes and tell him give you a free pizza.
But I'm not poor that much.
That much? You only poor a little bit?
Yeah. Like I only have like $80-something.
You got more money than me.
No.
Yes?
No. Well, I do have a rare dollar.
Oh, $2 bill?
Yeah.
Yeah, you do have a few $2 bills. You and Gianni.
Daddy. Let me just give me some money so I can
give you some money? I don't have any money. I'm broke.
Even though you have a wife?
That's why I'm broke. That's
I thought that means another thing.
That's why I'm broke. Because I have to give her stuff all the time. And you and your brothers are the reason why I'm broke too. Because I have to give you guys stuff all the time.
Okay, I'll stop. What's the free V-Bucks?
Yeah, exactly. I always got to give you V-Bucks. Stuff for school, stuff for your sports. I'm always buying you new soccer balls and cleats.
That's not me asking for that.
But you need it. Why you say you think I'm rich?
Because my dad over here wants to buy a Scat pack that's $50,000. and then I'm over here like, but you can't give me 100. But you can't give me 10,000 V-Bucks. That's only 100. That much.
Only $100. All right, we're not eating pizza because we already cooked dinner at home. So as soon as we get home, we are going to eat pizza. Not pizza. See, look, you got me thinking about pizza. We're gonna eat dinner at home. Cool? Alright, y'all, man, that was my son, man. Hey, I just wanted to do a quick little video with you guys, man, real quick. Just to kind of let you guys know what was going on. Not what was going on, but I know a lot of people seem to, this is another thing that seems to worry people a lot, man, as far as when you're modifying these cars. As you guys know, well, first of all, the very first clip that you guys seen, I did put it on there. At least I'm going to put it on there, so it should be on the video when I edit it. But it's going to say, I think I was leaving, that was when I left this morning for work. It was about 5 in the morning, man. So I wanted to show you guys what it sounds like when I turn on my car in the morning. I do it with the same way. I literally do it just like that, with the garage down. I mean, I do it from inside the house, obviously, not outside. But I leave the garage door down, and then I turn on my car, and I never went outside. That was the first time I've actually went outside to go listen to it myself. So you guys heard it with me first. But I wanted to see how muffled it was. I mean, I knew it muffled it a little bit. I just wanted to see how muffled it was, and it seems like it did muffle it a lot. And I did talk to, excuse me, guys are still kind of sick. But I did ask my immediate neighbors, so literally like my neighbor to the right, my neighbor to the left, and my neighbor in front of me. I did ask them, you know, if I was being a nuisance to them, basically. And all of them said no. They all said, nah, man, we don't even hear it. And I said, well, what about your spouse? Or, you know, my neighbor to the left has his mother there. You know, so I was asking, you know, what about your mother and everything else? And anyway, they all said no. They all said nobody, they're not having any issues with it. They don't really hear it, so on and so forth. And this is at 5 o'clock in the morning. So I will say, man, as much as I was like, man, you know, I'm going to mod my car and this and that. I mean, I would say I was kind of scared about that, because, you know, at the end of the day, you don't want to be the guy or the person that's, you know, causing, you know, all the problems in your neighborhood. So so anyway, so I wanted to show you guys as well, like what it did sound like with the garage down. So, you know, not saying that your experience is gonna be my experience, because obviously every what's going on, man? What's going on?
I wanted to know what type of car.
This is a hold on, let me put down this window. And you're on YouTube too, man. Say what's up.
What's your YouTube name?
It's Fatkat on the front right here. You don't see it?
Shout out to Fatkat.
There you go. Make sure tell him go subscribe.
Subscribe.
See what he's about to do right now. He's about to go subscribe right now. Look at that. Yeah, this is it's the Charger Scat Pack, man. 2000, brand new, 2019.
Fatkat.
Yep, F-A-T-K-A-T. You're gonna see it orange letters. What's your name?
Jackson.
Jackson. You got it. You got an Instagram or anything you wanna?
Instagram.
You got an Instagram? Go ahead and put it out there so people can go follow you, man.
Jackson Hodgkin, JACKSONHODGSKIN.
There you go. Yeah, man. So you go probably get a couple followers. You see it?
Yep.
Yeah. Make sure you hit that subscribe,
I will.
and make sure you hit that notification bell as well, man.
No problem.
Yeah, it's a Charger Scat Pack though, man. You like it?
Yeah.
Yeah, I just got it about a few months ago.
It's nice. Is it
Appreciate
Dodge Demon?
No. The Demon is the Challenger, and that has about 800 and some horsepower. This is just a Charger Scat Pack.
Nice.
This is the one that's right under the Hellcat.
Okay.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah, likewise.
Give him a shout out.
Anyway, man, there's a group of kids, man. I don't know if you can see them over there. There's probably about 5 or 6 of them, man. They all rolled by, and you know, they were all looking at the car or whatever. And then that particular kid came around. He's like, man, I want to see what this is. But anyway, man, you know, so back to what I was saying. So I know that's one of the concerns about a lot, you know, for a lot of people when they get these, you know, when they start modding, especially when they do like exhaust, is how your neighbor's going to react to it, and what their, you know, they don't want to be the asshole basically in the neighborhood. Is it open? My son getting in the car. We're waiting for my other son to finish his practice so we could go home. But anyway, so yeah, man. So like I said, so from my experience, a lot of my neighbors don't even bother it. I can't tell you what my neighbors down the street think, but I know my immediate neighbors, they seem not to care about it. They seem not to really even hear it, according to them. So like I said, that's just a startup. And as you guys know, man, with these, unless you get that MFR1 or whatever, no, always clowning around, man. The kid's too funny. Anyway, man, but I think the MFR1 or whatever it is, I think however it's called, your valves will stay open. But as you guys know, man, with regular stock, your cold start is super ridiculously loud, but then it then simmers down after about a couple minutes. So normally you're good after that. So yeah, man. So I wanted, hopefully you guys kind of get a perspective on what it would sound like when you turn on your car cold start. My modifications right now are Catless mids and mid muffler delete. All right, and that's pretty much going to stay like that until I get my headers, which will probably, you know, make the noise rise just a little bit more, but not much. But yeah, man, so I got Catless mid pipes, mid muffler delete, and like I said, I'll end up getting the long tube headers here in a second, or in a couple months. But anyway, so there you go, man. So that's pretty much, hopefully you guys get that perspective, man. And there you go. If you guys got any other questions, man, let me know. As you guys know, man, comment down below. I usually We respond back to every single comment, every single question. If you feel like it's something that, like I said, that you don't want to blast over YouTube for everybody to see, hit me up on Instagram, man. The Instagram is gonna be on the bottom of the screen as well. I always respond to everybody on Instagram as well, as far as DMs and everything else. So make sure you guys hit me up if you don't want it to be on YouTube for whatever reason. I got no problems with that at all. Anyway, other than that, man, hit that like button, hit that notification bell, or hit the subscribe button first, then hit the notification bell, because you don't want to miss anything that's going on. Again, at 3,800 subscribers, we get the next modification on Christine, man. All right, so let's make sure we get there, man, so we can get that next mod. As a matter of fact, I'm gonna go ahead and order it probably tonight or tomorrow, so that way whenever we do hit the 3,800, it's already ready to go, and we could just go slap it on. Anyway, other than that, appreciate you guys for watching the video. My boy Noah.
Stay tuned for other car adventures.
There you go, for other car adventures. Y'all heard the man. Stay tuned for other car adventures. All right, man. We see you guys on the next one, man. Later.